Smoking has been banned on board all Canadian commercial aircraft. There are 3 lavatories located on board, all equipped with a highly sensitive smoke detector. If there is anything we can help you with, please do not hesitate to call upon us. Thank you.
That's a church?
Which one?
I like the one on the left.
Also, I would go with the left one.
Wait, I like this one, guys.
You want it? I'll get it for you.
No.
What if I get it and decorate everything you own with it?
Sure.
Or there's this one.
No, I like the red one
I
more.
like the red one more. What else is there? Okie dokie.
They don't.
You don't have what?
What piece?
This is so
The
cute.
puppy one. All my stickers were bad. Not like this one though. It was like soft. So weird. You know, might as well just buy another one. Look at this. Look at the inks. Why are they all so cute?
Oh god.
Wait, let's take a dinner.
Okay, so this is how it's gonna look, right? So I'm on the ledge and I'm gonna be like this, right? And then I'm gonna go.
Okay, but I don't think
And then if I fall, I go this way, right?
Yeah, actually do it.
Oh god.
somebody the summer Ladies party anthem was bomber 지금 우리 인생이 다 drama 끝난 작은 순간이 기게 We're right until end of this
First stop.
What is your review on the food?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Yeah.
What's that one missing one?
The one missing was because we got the crepe and the pork roll. The crepe
that's
was a
true.
little too similar.
That's true. Go through all the fun types. Have you tried it? Oh, true. It's pretty good.
It's like Hong Kong style mango pudding in liquid form.
Yeah, true. This is so good. This is so cute too.
I love the design.
It's so cute. Just keep the can. Okay. Pineapple bun?
Yes. It was a little flimsy.
It's okay.
Look how thick the butter is.
Wow.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I haven't actually had a pineapple bun in so long because last time was Edmonton.
Should we go by order of what we picked up?
Sure.
This?
Yeah.
You know, oh, it's a whole tray.
Oh, cute.
Oh, this is so cute.
They're so small.
They're like those wrist sandwiches.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
Butter cookie and white chocolate, and then
The salty version, I guess.
yeah, Ritz chocolate and white chocolate. Okay, should we try the same one?
It really does taste like a Ritz cracker, but instead of cheese, it's like chocolate.
Yeah. I like how small and cute they are.
Yeah. Okay, which one do you like more? This is one, this is two. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, 2. Oh!
I like the texture of this one. Actually,
I like
after
this.
finishing it, I feel like this is a little too sweet. This is a good like mix of salt. Yeah, salty and sweet. But I like the texture of the butter cookie.
Yeah, I like the texture of that one.
Oh no, we picked up this one. Did you want to try it?
Sure.
Okay. This is durian. So cute. There's only 3 left. Why is the box so big? Now it smells like durian.
Oh my god. It's so strong. Okay.
Do you not like it?
I honestly haven't like straight up tried durian before.
It really looks like a local thing. Okay.
Okay, the more I smell it, the more like yeah.
Maybe it's just because it was like
In the
wrapped
bed.
up in there. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Cheers.
This is so strong.
Do you not like it?
It's good, but I'm like laughing at your reaction.
I feel like I'm like tasting it through my nose.
Wash it down with the mango mule.
taste the thing around it though.
Me neither. I can't tell what it is.
This is really good actually. It's like so flavorful.
Yeah.
I think the only bad part is that you couldn't taste the red bean.
Yeah. But I really like. I think like I don't really like the pastry texture because I don't really like loaf of bread texture. It's like too dense for me.
And it's dry.
Yeah, dry and dense. But other than that, like the almond flavor is pretty good.
And it's creamy. Out of 10, how would it be? I feel like I can separate it. Like flavor versus like texture.
Yeah, flavor would be 8.5.
Yeah.
Texture 6.
I give it like a 4. I don't really like dry stuff. Okay.
So, this is our second last snack.
It looks like this.
Bourbon.
Oh yeah. It's like chocolate in the middle and a cookie on like around it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Have you tried those like orange packet of cookies? It tastes exactly like that.
Yeah. The celebration cookies.
Yeah.
I feel like the cookie is graham cracker or something though. It tastes like graham crackers.
It's like lighter.
Yeah. Lighter, like a little grainier.
It's pretty average.
Yeah, it's average. Nothing too special. We're being such pigs.
Hey, we're sharing everything. That's everything.
Yeah,
This is so much fun.
it is. But we're literally eating like butter in a bread and like milk and cookies
And chocolate. Hey, we had durian. Is that like fruit?
Fiber.
This is so good. Actually, I like the durian.
You like it?
Yeah. I think it's starting to grow on me. I swear the butter in the bun is good. It just looks disgusting.
The butter is like silky on your tongue.
It's like creamy. It's not even like greasy or oily.
Yeah. Maybe the first time you try it, it feels a little gross.
It's on the visual. It's on your head. I'm excited for this one. Okay, we'll go that much. Why is it so long?
Yeah.
Why not also show this? What the?
Cheers.
It reminds me of those like crushed ramen.
But it's spicy. You have to have more of it.
I feel like you have to pour it in your mouth.
Yeah. It's good, right?
I like the flavor. Favorite bubble tea straw? I don't know how I feel about that.
What do you think about the shiny tea? 3 bubble tea.
I'm so happy it's free.
Yeah.